In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Apple Store appointment, a process that we can easily complete in just 5 minutes. Ensuring your Apple devices are working efficiently is essential, and sometimes it might require visiting an Apple Store. Whether you need repairs, assistance with technical issues, or consultations, setting up an appointment is straightforward and accessible through a few simple steps. Begin by launching either the Safari browser or the Apple Support app. If you don't have the Apple Support app installed, don't worry, it's available for download from the App Store. Using either of these tools, you'll want to head over to getsupport.apple.com. This site serves as your gateway to a variety of support options directly from Apple. Once on the site or app, the first thing you need to do is select the device or product that's giving you trouble. You'll see options listed such as iPhone, Mac, iPad, and more. Simply tap on the product you need help with, and don't worry if you have several issues. You can repeat the process for each one if needed. After selecting your device, it's time to specify the issue you're experiencing. Apple has organized these into easily navigable categories. For example, if you have a cracked screen or battery issue, you would select repairs and physical damage. From there, navigate further to choose the exact problem that fits your situation. This helps streamline the process when you arrive at the store and ensures that necessary parts or specialists are available. Once you've pinpointed the exact issue, you'll want to proceed by tapping the Bring in for repair option. This is where you start to gear your request towards a physical store visit. After selecting this, you'll be given the option to find a location. To find a store, you'll need to allow location services or manually enter your location details. The app or website will then present you with a list of nearby Apple stores. Take a moment to choose the store that's most convenient for you. It's crucial to select a location you can easily reach to make the entire process as smooth as possible. Finally, after choosing a store, you will be prompted to select from available time slots for your appointment. Apple usually has a variety of times to choose from, making it easy to fit a visit into your schedule. Once you've chosen your preferred time, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID to confirm your appointment. This step is essential as it not only secures your spot but also allows Apple to prepare for your visit efficiently. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to making an Apple Store appointment. With your appointment scheduled, you can relax knowing that expert help is on the way.